In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Wi-Fi connection issues that you're having with your Brother Work Smart MFC-J1360DW printer. First thing you need to try when this happens to you is to simply go on the side of the printer and disconnect it from the power. So simply pull out the power cable even if the printer was turned on. At this point, wait around 2 minutes and then go ahead and reconnect it. Most of the time, this simple trick will solve most issues you're having with your printer. If this didn't work, okay, by the way, give it a few seconds to connect. Usually it takes like a minute or two to fully connect to your Wi-Fi. If this didn't work, what I suggest is to do a reset of the Wi-Fi, not a factory reset, just the Wi-Fi settings. And to do this, well, on the display over here, we're gonna make sure you're on the home screen, and you're gonna press the settings button. Then we need to go down using the down arrow until you get to select right over here, initial setup. Press OK. Go down and select reset. Go down and select network. Press OK. And as it will say over here, you need to press this right side button during 2 seconds. Keep it pressed 2 seconds to start the reset of the Wi-Fi. It may take around 30 seconds, and after that you'll have to reconnect your printer to your network. If none of these tricks solved your issue, even after doing this, your printer is not able to connect to your Wi-Fi, or maybe it's disconnecting often, what I suggest is to check your Wi-Fi router. Sometimes the issue is not the printer but the router itself. Go ahead and disconnect it from the power outlet during at least 5 minutes. So remove it from the power outlet, your Wi-Fi router, and wait 5 minutes. Then connect it back. I know that in my case it happened a while ago. The problem wasn't with my different devices, it was actually the router. I don't know why. It was connecting to the internet, but the devices didn't want to connect to it. So after doing this, usually go ahead, reconnect your printer to your router, and everything should work again. Now you can also do a full factory reset of this printer, but honestly, if you already did a Wi-Fi reset, this is what most people need to do, and a full reset won't change anything. But if you want to know how to do one, well, it's the same thing. So go in the settings, go over here where you see initial setup, reset. But in this case, to do a full reset, you need to select all settings. Again, select it and press 2 seconds on the right side arrow. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, if this solved your problem, leave a comment down below. Or if you have any other tricks I need to know, leave them as well. Type a comment, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.